Yeah, dear students, in the first video, we started the theory class that is related with the chapter inverse trigonometric function. One property I taught in that first video, and in the exercise related with the first property, exercise 2.1 is started and I solved. We solved 10 problems. Okay, now? We will continue this one. Observe. The 11th problem. 11, 12, 13, 14. You see, the 11th problem. 11th problem is, we have to find the value of this expression. It is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse 1 by 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. Okay, now we are finding the value of this expression. You see, tan inverse 1 means it is tan pi by 4. Observe it. 1, we are writing tan pi by 4. Okay, na? Not cos 0 or not sin 90. Why? Because tan inverse means tan must come. Tan inverse tan will cancel. So, we should not write sin 90 degrees or cos 0. So, we write tan only, tan pi by 4 in order to cancel tan inverse tan. And also, we may get some doubt. So, 1 is tan 225 degrees also, 180 plus 45, third quadrant. But always you remember, in terms of tan, that principal angle must lie between minus 90 plus 90. Okay, now open it. Will agree? Number of times we solve. We know that property. So here don't write 5 pi by 4. That is 225 degrees. It is only tan 45 degrees, tan pi by 4. Why? Because this is the reason. Again, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means it is cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 120, pi by 3 is 60, 62 is 120. Cos 120 is 180 minus 60. Every time we have to utter that reason, that formula, how it is derived. Cos 120, cos of 180 minus 60, minus cos 60, minus 1 by 2. Okay, na? That is the reason. Here also, this 2 pi by 3 is belonging to 0, comma 5. This is related with the cos. This is related with the sin. Okay, na? That is the reason. But some students may think that minus 1 by 2 is cos of minus 60 degrees. Cos of minus 60 is not minus cos 60. It is plus cos 60. So, we have to write it like this one. It is sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. It is sin of minus 30 degrees. Here is there. Here we are not writing cos of minus 60. Why? Because cos of minus 60 plus cos 60. Plus up is there. But here we are trying for the value for minus 1 by 2. So, don't write like that. But here minus of means sin of minus 30. Minus sin 30. Minus 1 by 2 will come. Okay, na? Yeah. Try to understand. Why? Because for sin, you see, it is minus 30 degrees means it is minus 90 plus 90. In this interval, the principal value of sin is always in between minus 90 and plus 90. the principal angle of tan minus 90 plus 90 open, this is closed. In the case of cos, the principal angle is in between 0 and 180 degrees. That is pi. Now you see tan cancels, we get pi by 4 and cancels 2 pi by 3 and it is minus 30, or otherwise you mentioned here it is pi by 6. It is minus pi by 6. How much? 120 na? It is 30. 120 minus 30. How much? 120 minus 30 means 90. 90 plus 45, 135. This is 3 pi by 4. Okay na? Okay na? Yeah. Like that we have to solve. Now, okay na? The 12th problem. We go to the 12th problem. Observe. It is cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. It is cos inverse of cos 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Well, for which angle cos gives 1 by 2? Is cos 60 degrees plus 2 into it is sin inverse of 1 by 2 is sin 30 degrees. So it cancels, we get 60 degrees plus 2 into 30 degrees. So it is how much? 60 and it is also 60. 120 degrees. It is 2 pi by 3. Okay now? So this is the answer to the 12th problem. Okay now? Now the 13th problem. 13 and 14 are objective type. You see, given sin inverse x is equal to 1. And what is the interval of y? You see in the option, question is not asked. You see, option means, option is, answer is there. Question is also there. Just like we have to assume. Here you see, sin inverse x is equal to y. Only data is given. And question is not there. But the question is, here only we have to think. The option A, B, C, D, you see, y only are there with its domain or its interval. Y, the first option, 0 to pi, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. But less than or equal to. It is closed and it is open. Okay, na? Like that. By definition, sin inverse something. Sin inverse 1 by 2 means, you see, here 30. So we get an angle. That angle is related with the sin. So this is the angle. Y is the angle of sin. This y is always, you see, where minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. Will agree? Already it is given in the definition. Okay na? Why? Because once again you observe me, this is sin inverse x is equal to y. Sin inverse of something, it is an angle. So y is the angle. That angle is related with the sin. So this is the interval of angle. The sin is in between the minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Okay na? So here B option is correct. Next we go to 14th problem. I will write it here. 14th. You see, it is tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2 is there. Okay na? Tan inverse of is equal to dash. What is its value? Like that, 11 and 12. You see, tan inverse root 3 will come for tan 60 degrees. Okay, na? And secant inverse of minus 2. In case of cos 1 by 2, it is minus 2. It is a secant of 120 degrees. You may get some doubt. You see, secant 120 means, observe, it is 1 by cos 120. It is 1 by minus 1 by 2. Is it minus 2? So, it is minus 2 means cos 120. Secant 120, sir. So, it is 60 degrees and minus 120 degrees. So, it is minus 60 degrees. Okay, na? Minus 60 degrees. So, it is minus pi by 3. So, the option is B. Here also it is B. Okay, na? So, first exercise is completed. It is by using the definition and the first property like that. Okay, na? 14 problems is solved. Okay.